Part 2. 2021. Eaters. 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 You tell me you'll take me to safety, take me safely, take control. You know what'll happen, seconds explained faithfully. Tell me the damn people's behavior's hardwired, ingrained, yeah. Show me the cryptocurrencies encrypted by blockchains. I'm not one of your faithful, just plain blank-eyed grateful. No questions, just give me stuff and stuff and stuff, and I'll be sedated fool. It's April 2021, one of the world's encrusted by the corrupt and stupid. Another month of Trump's uncouth example adopted. I'm from the time before when liberal wasn't a dirty word. I'll break your racist, hateful bows, my wood bat. You're sedated, unwakeful, deliberately, blissfully ignorant, you're absurd. And the American military burns forever chemicals, fire retardant element for disposal on the instruction of a former president. And I'm still waiting for the fucking benefits of Brexit. And the rich shed the moral chains considerable and take their new place in the palace of the sovereign individual incandescent. Yeah, I'm opposed to the kingdoms of wealth, power, pinch points, sharp points of the pyramid, the stealth seal invasion of the NHS to companies like Upper Roads. And the UK's not institutionally racist, even though black people are 9 times more likely to face Section 18 cases. These are words of protest to tell, protest against the people who are dangerous to democracy like Purit Patel. And she would prorogue my session of protest, and for that I would protest as well. Institutional disrupted corruption for the hell of it. Where won't you take me seriously? These are not the words wanted from a good leader appointed comparison, rather the publicity addicted, oafish, buffoon embarrassing Boris. I will not give my considered consent to enriching idiots. That's why this time my vote is independence.
Which is my favorite dish.
music, film and TV, science fiction books and comics by DC, computer games on consoles, never on the PC, morals and the taboos of a first world society. I was in a car crash in Roswell, hitched to Albuquerque, dodged a medical bill, and now I'm over 30. The responsibilities of a nuclear family led to a career within a frankly thankless company, but I do earn my salary. I've learned enough to know that what I'm told is factually inaccurate or lacking in the detail to make it truly practical. I trust people to do what's expected. Elected all my morals based on role models were fictional and frankly imperfected. I was told I could be exceptional, but I might be stood corrected. I climbed Mount Kenya with the disco dancing national champion 8 goat, and found myself naturally captioning fashionable captions of killed black widow spiders. With a magazine, I believe your personality can be visualized as plasticine. I rapped an alphabet city and left the whole club silent.
Everyone agreed that this was a nice thing.
I'm just an ordinary person who thinks a little too much. Don't think that I'm depressed, just thinking that I'm in touch. An eye for the design where the world is always at lunch. Physical factory manufacturing data. I'm just an ordinary person who thinks a little too much. Don't think that I'm depressed, just thinking that I'm in touch. An eye for the design where the world is always at lunch. Physical factory manufacturing data dumps.
Get up on your little 21-inch screen and howl about America and democracy. There is no America. There is no democracy. There is only IBM and ITT and AT&T, Dow and Exxon. Those are the nations of the world today. We no longer live in a world of nations and ideologies. The world is a college of corporations, inexorably determined by the immutable bylaws of business. The world is a business. It has been since man crawled out of the slime. Our children will live to see that perfect world, which there's no war or famine, oppression or brutality. One vast and ecumenical holy country, for whom all men to serve a common all men will hold a share of stock, all necessities provided, all anxieties tranquilized, all boredom amused.
It is absolutely inevitable that some scientist somewhere sometime will make a hybrid of a monkey and a human. It may already have happened.
Occupation station, silk dagger on sir, certainly 1 second. Just a phallic symbol, man on staff of adversity, a point of a penetration. Start my day off slowly, switch my contact number or correspondence to a gay sex line, leaving out of order signs on all the ladies. All the ladies. That's right. I sold my soul to the man, but I forced my signature sneaky. I'm actually undercover agent, I sense my enemies' habits and identifying his manners. Picking up the seams and it'll fall apart eventually. Dinosaurs don't adapt to dissolve into the heavenly. A night I like to hear about running about in rubber rumper suits on rooftops, throw bricks at some of businessmen, yeah. We cannot behave like apathetic assholes, you know. Disconnect the hard drive from the LCD screen, falsify facial twitches around their coffee machine, send abusive emails to the finance team, and then fuck off home and watch telly.
A creature that is part human, part chimpanzee.
As darkness descends on my dreamscape dissolves into fragments of realness, so worthless and meaningless, defenseless, I'm stripped to my bare bone components, deprived of my form from these blood-sucking rodents. Chained to these vultures who contracts and blood packs, my back has been broke by their bullshit and false hope. Visions are blackened, ambitions are crushed. Here's to the future is branded, abandoned, and bound in their charm, and used and abused, but too weak to alarm. Mopping up the blood from all the backstabbing, and I'm biting my tongue to stop my lips flapping. Time is a concept devoid of all meaning, and I'm feeling the stress but still dreaming, believing in some kind of savior and some kind of sign, resting my sanity and biding my time. Realistic, smash your soapbox and go ballistic. Eat your ego and chew your brain. Digest the flavor of the thoughts contained. Slice your stature down to size. Shatter your image in the public eye. Quash your spirit until it's non-existent. The monkey men are so consistent. The monkey men are in disguise. View the world through blackout